Preview is not available. Well, that works great, so I can't really see what I'm doing. But hello, ladies and gentlemen. Can't show you that side of the box because it's got my information on it. We can just go ahead and just... That ain't doing shit. But any rate, parts for the 250 came in today. I don't even know if you can see anything but the ground. So I wish I could see the preview. I think it's okay. I don't know, why can't I see that, dude? But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I don't even know if it's what I hope it is, but I hope it is. You know what I mean? I haven't slept at all. I worked last night, and I should have got some sleep when I got home, but I was too excited. I was too anxious because I had a feeling today was the day, and looky here. Oh, there we go. We'll just pop that one. So I went ahead and ordered this for my 4-stroke. It's just a replacement filter. Fuck, but he's got this thing so like loose on his head. Maybe that'll work. Okay, so then we got my owner's manual for the 2-stroke. It's kind of a weird looking manual compared to I'm gonna go back over here. So this is aftermarket compared to OEM, I guess. That has like a bunch of different languages. That's probably just in English. But I got an owner's manual. I know what I'm doing. Some clutch plates. We'll get those. Wow, it's open. They had it open. That kind of pisses me off, not gonna lie to you. We'll try to get this back on my head. Hopefully you guys can see it. I don't even know what we have here. So this looks like the clutch cover gasket or O-ring, whatever you want to call that. Clutch perch. Hey, we got a sticker. The reason I ordered a clutch perch was because, well, I got a nice ASV lever on here, but at the same time, it's bent to fuck. So I went ahead and just ordered just a cheap Tusk one, just for now. And then we got, oh baby, this is what I'm most piped about, because I don't know, those look kind of small. We'll go ahead and do that. It'll probably work. Is that all I ordered, dude, for that much money? I guess so. So we got clutch plates, clutch, exhaust springs and O-rings, clutch perch, gasket, manual. This thing was pretty pricey, but they're good to have. And then this. I'm not too happy about these twin air filters. Oh yeah, this this one grommet popped out of there. I have it down there somewhere, but I'll just go ahead and show you guys what I mean here. Oh, you can't really tell, but down here, yeah, you can see it. That's a big, like, split. This is like, I've cleaned it, like, twice. I've never had that with my OEM filter. Fuck, it's still brand new. But I don't know. It's kind of cheesed me. Now I have degreaser somewhere. Oh, that's gnarly. I guess I don't. Oh, what do you know? It's being used. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. 433. Fuck, this is greasy, this thing. Wow, that is so, like, cold. Kind of ticks me off that they just left this open, or this was open. Oh yeah, I might just throw them all like that. I was thinking about alternating them. Maybe I should alternate them. Those are stuck. Go ahead and just dump it all in there. There we go. And we're just gonna let that sit for probably a day. I don't know. We gotta do the pipe. We do the pipe and the clutch. I'm so fucked. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'll probably clean my car today. It's a great idea, actually. I honestly didn't think it would last this long, so I never bothered cleaning it. Which blows me away every day. Oh, but yeah, we're back with the yz250 today. I got my pipe done yesterday. I figured I would just work away on it. Probably could have took more time with it, but I figured it looks pretty good. I wish. Oh my god. It was a pain in the ass getting those fucking springs on, let me tell you. The first one there wasn't hard. I feel like I should have did that one first. I had to bend it a little bit. But nonetheless, it's on there. And it's better than having no springs. Just want to point out, both my plates are both mucked. Wonder what that's from. But, so, I'm so excited to just get started on this. I've been waiting so long. These things work really good. Maybe that. I don't know, it's pretty sketchy. I had to take it apart and rewire it. And let's just say, I'm no electrician. We'll see if it works. Oh, baby. Look at that. But yeah, these little wool wheel brushes. I fucked up the small one using it so much, but you can just jam them in there, you know? So yeah, yesterday I went ahead and bought some trans oil, fucking trans fluid, whatever you want to call it. Some carb clean, because I do want to clean the carb. It's running a little lean. And what else did I buy? Oh yeah, this stuff right here for the pipe. I don't know if it's gonna work though, because it's only up to 343. Ignore my nails, they're pretty dirty from cleaning that thing. This thing. Oh, look at that. That pipe is on there, man. I gotta tighten this bottom mount up before I forget. I don't even know what's going on with it, but hopefully it's not fucked. Okay. So I guess what we can do here is get started. I don't know if probably do the clutch after I do, well, like the clutch lever after I do the actual clutch itself, just because the lever's not attached to anything right now. Maybe it'd be easier that way. I don't know. Okay, so here we got our clutch boss. Doesn't say much on the box. There we go. Whatever that means. Not break this one. Yeah, nice little box though. Just a big oil filter box. That looks clean, man. I don't know if I should lube this up some. I feel like I should. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some oil on this girl. Just all around it. Just so the first start has a little bit of lube in there. Might just dunk it in. I don't know if I can. That's probably nice enough. I dunked it in, now it's got oil all over it. So it's saying to just assemble this. Just like that. Really? Oh shit. You know what I forgot? I took that long ass push rod out of there. Ah, shit. Like this. Push it all the way till it stops. I don't even want to spin it. Maybe. It doesn't matter. Sucks because I'm definitely not using a clutch holder on this again, because that's how I broke the last one. Just like so. I feel like that should go in farther, no? I'll use it, but if I break that, I fucking break this. Oh, they just stick to one another. Like, why isn't... I'm gonna say... Go 2 over. Got the plates in there. It's looking good. Don't see any dirt. Yeah. So now, I think we just throw on that end plate. Well, my SD card filled up, but really all I did was just finish putting that cover on. Now what we can do here is fill it with trans oil and give her a fire up. Okay, so I just finished with the tranny oil change, and I don't know, I did as it said. I don't know if it's supposed to like pour out of that check bolt or like just start. Well, I guess it was flowing out. So I haven't started this thing in a long time. I think I just need to kick it, you know? I'm going to just die.